In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a rectangle on TradingView for iPhone. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to highlight zones on your chart using the rectangle drawing tool. Rectangles are great for marking support and resistance areas, consolidations, or any region you want to keep an eye on. And doing this on your iPhone is quick once you know where everything lives. Start by opening the TradingView app on your iPhone. On the bottom of the screen, you'll see the main navigation. Tap on Chart to bring up your active chart. If you already have a symbol open, it will load right away. If not, you'll still land on the chart screen, which is exactly where we need to be. Next, look for the pencil icon, which represents the drawing tool. Tap the pencil. This opens the drawing toolbar with a range of tools used to annotate your charts. On mobile, tools can be grouped or tucked away, so taking a second to orient yourself helps. Now we're going to find the rectangle tool. If you see it in the list, tap it. If not, use the search field in the drawing tools panel and type rectangle. Selecting it sets your active tool so the next touch on the chart starts the shape. With the tool selected, tap once on the chart where you want the rectangle to begin. Think of this as your first corner. For precise placement, it can help to pause for a moment to line up the corner with the price level or time you have in mind. If you need more precision, zoom in on the chart before placing your first tap. After that first tap, drag your finger diagonally across the chart to the opposite corner. As you drag, you'll see the rectangle stretch and snap into shape. Keep your finger on the screen while you adjust the size. This is the best moment to fine-tune the height for price coverage and the width for the time span you want to highlight. Move slowly and watch the edges line up with the levels you care about. When the rectangle looks right, simply lift your finger to release and finish the shape. The tool will place the rectangle exactly where you left it, and your chart remains interactive so you can continue your analysis. That's all there is to it. Open your chart, tap the pencil icon, select the rectangle tool, tap to set your first corner, drag to the opposite corner, and release to complete. With a little practice, you'll be marking zones quickly and clearly on every chart.